it is a group of organic compounds in which each member differ from the next member by a CH2 group. Each member is differ from the next member by a CH2 group. A CH2 group is known as a methylene group. This group is known as methylene group. Methylene group. Such series is known as a homologous series. Each member of homologous series is known as a homologue. Now students, we will understand the concept of homologous series by taking an example. Students, we will understand the concept of homologous series by taking the example of alkane. We will write first 5 members of alkane series. The first member is CH4. Second member is C2H6. Third one is, that is propane, C3H8. Butane, C4H10. And pentane, C5H12. Now students, if we take the difference of adjacent members, अगर हम adjacent members का difference लें, first for example the first 2 members which are adjacent to each other, if we take the difference C2H6 minus CH4, अगर C2H6 में से CH4 को minus कर दें, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, we have 1 carbon, and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, we have 2 hydrogen. We get a CH2 group. Similarly, if we take the difference of C3H8 and C2H6, ठीक है, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, we have 1 carbon. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, we have 2 hydrogen. Again we get a CH2 group. Similarly, we take the difference of C3H8 and C4H10, again we get a CH2 group. And if we take the difference of C5H12 and C4H10, again we get a CH2 group. So this is the homologous series of alkanes, because here the difference of adjacent member is a CH2 group, and students, we know very well a CH2 group is known as a methylene group. Methylene group, right students? Now we will take one more example to understand the concept in a better way. We will take the homologous series of alcohol. We will write first 5 members of alcohols. First member is methanol, CH3OH. Second member is ethanol, that is C2H5OH. The third member is propanol, C3H7OH. Fourth member is butanol, C4H9OH. And fifth member is pentanol, C5H11OH. Now students, we will take the difference of adjacent members. We will take the difference of adjacent members and we will see what is the difference of adjacent members here. Now the first 2 members, if we take the difference of first 2 members, C2H5OH minus CH3OH, अगर हम इसका difference लेते हैं, we get a CH2 group. Similarly, if we take the difference of CH2OH, right, and C3H7OH, again we get a CH2 group. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट मेंबर का अगर हम डिफरेंस लेते हैं, दैट इज C4H9OH माइनस C3H7OH, अगर हम इनका डिफरेंस लेते हैं, अगेन वी गेट अ CH2 ग्रुप. हमारे पास CH2 ग्रुप आएगा. और इफ वी टेक द डिफरेंस ऑफ C5H11OH माइनस C4H9OH, again we get a CH2 group. ठीक है students, so this is the homologous series of alcohol. The difference of adjacent member is a CH2 group. I hope homologous series is clear to you students. Now each member of this series is known as a homologue. For example, methanol is a homologue or ethanol is a homologue. Now students, we will study some of the important characteristics of homologous series. Homologous series के कुछ खास characteristics अब हम discuss करेंगे. The first character, all the member of homologous series, they have same structural formula. The first character is Their structural formula is same. Same structural formula. They have same structural formulas. Right, students? The second important character is all the members of homologous series, they have same functional group. All members have same functional group. They have same functional group, right? The third important character, they have same chemical properties due to the presence of same functional group. Their chemical properties are same. Same chemical properties. Students, why their chemical properties are same? Because they contain same functional group. Now, the next important character, they have different physical properties because different members of homologous series have different molecular masses. Since their molecular masses are different, that's why they have different physical properties. Their physical properties are different. Now we will see some more general characters. The molecular mass of successive members of homologous series differ by a CH2 unit. This is the character number 5. Their molecular masses are differ by 14 unit. 14 unit, that is a CH2 group. If we take the molar mass of a CH2 group, it would be equivalent to carbon 12 plus hydrogen 2. Since we have 2 hydrogen atoms, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Okay? So it means the molecular mass of the successive members of a homologous series differ 14 units. Right, students? And we can say the molecular mass of each successive homology differ by a CH2 group. Next important character is all the compounds in a series have same types of elements. All the compounds in a homologous series, all compounds or all members of a homologous series have same types of elements. Then another important character, all the members of a homologous series can be prepared by same methods. They have same methods of preparation. All the members of a homologous series, all the members of a homologous series can be prepared by same methods. Prepared by same methods. Now students, we will see some more characters. All the members of a homologous series can be represented by the same general formula. All the members of a homologous series can be represented by same general formula. All the members of a homologous series can be represented by same general formula. Same general formula. For example, if we have alkanes, then we will see which general formula is used to represent alkanes. Alkanes को हम represent करते हैं. For alkanes, the general formula which is used is CN H2N plus 2. For alkenes, the general formula which is used is CnH2n. For alkynes, the general formula which is used is CnH2n minus 2. Similarly, if we have alcohols, for alcohols, the general formula which is used is CnH2n plus 1 OH. For alkyl halides, we use the general formula CnH2n plus 1 X. X is the halogen atom, right students, where N is the number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. Students, I hope the concept of homologous series is clear to you.